how to set out of office and calendar in your Outlook. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your Outlook, of course, and just log into your account. Once you're here, you will be able to see the calendar section. So you're gonna have to make a new event, which is basically saying you're out of office. So press a new event over here, and then you're gonna have to put in your details. So let's say you only want to be out for a few hours. You can go ahead and choose how long you want to be. So let's say from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Just go ahead and choose start from 1 p.m. and scroll or drag it down until 4 p.m. But you should be able to do it here as well. If you want to go ahead and do it all day, you're out of office all day, there should be this option. But pretty much depends on you. So just go ahead and choose a date as well. And then once you're done with the date, you can go ahead with this option over here and press on out of office. You can put ahead a title over here. And once it's done, you can go ahead and put a description as well. You can also go ahead and put in a reminder. So when you want to be reminded, maybe 15 minutes before it happens. You can categorize it as well over here. You can make it private, and you can also invite attendees. But once that's all done, just go ahead and press save over here. But this is the important feature, which is you press on out of office. So just go ahead and press and save, and you pretty much have finished setting up an out of office event on your calendar in your Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.